Out for a rip in the good old plow truck today. It's a real beaut. Really towing heavy too. Got that little aluminum trailer back there. We're gonna bring it down. We're gonna fix up the broken fenders, fix up the broken welds it's got. Let's see what we can do. So what we got is, it looks like the fender got hit, I'm assuming. It's all bent. And where it mounts in the front is cracked. And where it mounts in the back, completely broken. So it looks like we're probably gonna have to pull the wheel off as well in order to get, we'll focus, inside there and inside there to try to get some good weld on it so it'll stay put. So we got the wheel off, we got it ground down on the inside and on the outside over here. What I noticed once I got the wheel out of the way, they actually broke the wires. There's a little clearance layer on top, so that's just something else that we're gonna have to fix too. So what I'm gonna do, since I'm by myself and I want to be able to hold this fender exactly where I want it and get it welded up, is I'm gonna use what's called a Cleco, which is these guys right here. And the way it works is I'll drill a 1/8 hole through this front piece and through the frame. You put this in there, and then when you let go, that center outside section spreads apart and it'll hold it in place. These things are really handy to use when you gotta put something in place and you're by yourself, or you got, you know, they're used commonly in auto body trying to hold on panels and stuff, and then you just have a little 1/8 hole that you have to fill in after the fact, and makes your life a lot easier. Just like that, it's all held in place, not going anywhere, and now I can get some good tack welds. I can fix this gap up a little bit here too, and you're good to go. This is the TIG welder I got, this TIG stick AC/DC pulse. It's made by Everlast. I've had it quite a few years, and honestly it's been a real great welder, and for the money you really can't beat it. So we're going to have this thing cranked all the way up on AC, obviously, because we're doing aluminum, and I want it cranked up because that main frame is actually pretty decently thick, and I am going to preheat the frame area so that way it, you know, aluminum's going to suck a lot of heat out of there, and I want to be able to get good penetration into that frame but also not melt the piss out of the little thin aluminum tabs that the fender's welded on. Well, never claimed I was the best welder at aluminum, but it takes practice and we'll get there eventually, but it's not going to go anywhere. I got the fender welded back on, nice and sturdy, and the electrical is all taken care of as well. So we'll put the tire back on, double check everything, and we'll be good. So got the other side all finished, tires on, wires tidied up. Decided to look at the other side, and this side's got a crack too, so we'll weld this one up while we're in here, try to prevent another failure down the road. Well, that project's all done. On to the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.